food industry machines that are at another level. In this video, we will talk about banana peeling machines, chocolate packing machines, cookie making machines, egg machines, and much more. Keep watching to know more about the food industry machines that are at another level. And make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dig in. Number 10. Banana peeling machine. Tropical Food Machinery has invented a new automatic banana peeler, Career 6000, which has a new product working capacity of 6 mth and a pulp extraction rate of 60%. Career 6000 will provide you with a precise automatic peeling system and a decreased labor usage, as well as pulp processing and an inert atmosphere with antioxidant treatment, consistent production, and outstanding final quality. It will employ only 10 to 15 sorting operators to do the loading process of the banana hand on a steel cable that transports them to the chamfering equipment. Number 9. Chocolate packing machine. The DXD 660 high-speed chocolate packing machine is used to wrap chocolates and chocolate-coated items in flow wrap. The flow wrapper might be directly attached to the chocolate cooling tunnels of chocolate goods to save consumers work. The machine is outfitted with a motion PLC that can be controlled remotely. This machine has 6 servo motors on an alignment conveyors and 3 servo motors on the packing components to provide steady high-speed operation. Wrapping film auto-splice mechanism enables machine film change without halting or slowing down. The maximum film linear speed for the hot sealing film is 60 m and 80 m for a cold sealing film. It has a chocolate cooling unit to avoid melting while on the conveyor belt. Number 8. Cookie making machine. Find the best commercial cookie machine for your bakery's requirements. As a top seller, Poland has continuously expanded the range of production equipment to integrate the most advanced technology and finest materials available. Furthermore, as industry pioneers, their client benefit from their unrivaled understanding of the formulation, manufacturing, flow, training, and service. They have a solution for your demands that will survive decades, whether your foods require one of the industry-leading multi-drop depositors, heavy-duty and high-output rotary molders, or one of their most modern industrial solutions. Number 7. Egg machine. The MDL-18 machine is an automatic egg breaking and separating machine that mimics artificial egg breaking movement to achieve the goal of automatic egg yolk and yolk breaking as well as separation. It is extensively utilized in various food processing factories, including cake and egg flour factories, as well as other food-grade companies that handle egg liquid. The completed goods may be used to make cakes, sweets, pies, noodles, and so on. It has varying efficiency in satisfying the various consumption requirements of customers. It has designed a special centrifugal device to gather egg liquid and shell at a high separation rate. All parts are made of 304 stainless steel and have a humanized design that makes them easy to remove and clean. The filter screen has a slotted construction. Compared to flat screens, it is more robust and less prone to jamming. Number 6. French fries making machine. The French fries blanching machine is used to blanch French fries and potato chips into vivid colors while retaining fresh flavor in order to promote softness, eradicate germs, and suppress active enzymes. The machine is best suited for the French fries production line, but it may also be used for the potato chips line and other vegetable and fruit blanching operations in food processing plants. Similarly, a constant belt-type French fries blanching machine can repeatedly blanch French fries for potato slices, considerably improving the production efficiency of a French fries plant. Typically, it takes 90 seconds from input to output. If you're looking for a good French fries machine, go for the blanching machine. Number 5. Watermelon processing machine. This 4-in-1 watermelon machine fills juice into plastic bottles along with amazing tasks. Based on a 500 milliliter bottle, the capacity is about 6,000 bottles per hour. The filling temperature of the 4-in-1 juice filling machine is roughly 55 degrees Celsius, which is considered medium temperature filling. Unlike hot juice, medium temperature juice cannot destroy bacteria, so the machine has 2 cleaning procedures to keep the bottles as bacterium-free as feasible. First, there is a disinfectant water tank with a juice filling machine for cleaning bottles. Second, rinse the bottles with purified water. The filling valves are likewise composed of 316 stainless steel. The juice filling machine has a reflux filling mouth to clean the bottleneck. The machine includes an online cap cleaning system with a pump, a disinfect water tank, a cap sterilization tunnel, pipes, and other features. If you're enjoying it so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 4. Almond Peeling Machine. As the name claims, the wet almond peeling machine removes the skin from soaked almonds, peanuts, and chickpeas. Because it uses a moist, gentle peeling method and has a high skin peeling speed and whole kernel rate, the almond peeler is the finest almond processing equipment in China and is widely used in the food sector. They also have a machine for shelling almonds. The peeled almonds can be kept intact. Automatic operation saves a significant amount of time and money. A wet peanut peeler provides a high output capacity, low energy consumption, and simple operation. After peeling, the color of the almond is bright and the skin and almonds can be separated automatically with excellent efficiency. Its functions include desquamation automation, energy savings, high output efficiency, and easy cleaning. There is also a self-guided device. The product cooperates with the sanitary standard. It's good stuff with good sanitation. That's the best part here. Number 3. Olive oil manufacturing machine. The global expansion of agribusiness has occasionally had harmful consequences for humanity. Agricultural items produced quickly and in large quantities may become harmful and unnatural. As Eckler-Machny, they chose to create a machine that is environmentally benign and by the organic agriculture sector criteria for the globe, where organic agriculture is becoming increasingly popular. As you may be aware, boutique olive oil manufacturing has a restricted supply due to intense effort. The production work performed directly relates to the quality and natural formations. By processing the olive with a cold press technique, they can maintain the oil's purity. So, what's the deal with boutique, compact olive oil machine? It makes oil production in a limited area using smaller machine sizes. Because of the system's cold press performance, the oil retains the aroma of olives. Crushing olives daily yields higher grade oil. When utilized appropriately, various adjustment options allow for high oil output and flawless, high quality oil creation. Getting your own oil and selling it under your own brand is the key point here. The industry will get more money with better oil. Moreover, there is a possibility of residue being used by the producer. This machine causes no environmental impact and is exempt from the different papers and products imposed on oil extraction by the Ministry of Environment. Number 2. Cheese manufacturing machine. Cheese is classified into hundreds of kinds based on the milk source, if pasteurization is used, milk fat level, bacteria and mold, processing method, and fermentation. Herbs, spices, and smoke can be used to flavor cheese. The whole processing line is designed to generate a wide range of white cheese products utilizing established technologies such as ultrafiltration and high shear mixing, encouraging clients to explore new market opportunities and increase current production capacity. Customized cheese production line equipment fabrication based on client specifications, allowing customers to have their own completely automatic cheese production line from design through manufacturing, shipment, and installation. So, what do you think of this innovation? Number 1. Plastic bottle manufacturing machine. Documar provides high-quality blowing molding machines with varying production capacities. Their machines have been sold worldwide because of their high efficiency, low power consumption, easy operation, and simple maintenance. There is no pollution since the system is highly automated and intellectualized. Connect the air conveyor using a linker, which can be directly in line with a filling machine. Stretch blow molding reduces air consumption while providing high capacity and long service life. A high-quality muffler and a safely protected gate keep operators safe. This variant was capable of blowing both standard PET bottles and wide-mouth bottles. Preforms are fed by hand and bottles are heated and blown automatically. This worker has no technical need. Hourly capacities range from 1,000 to 4,000 pieces, and it is less expensive than standard automated machines while providing reliable performance. So, which one was the most intriguing? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.